Alright, here we have engine 523, 523, 1.9 AAZ with load enrichment valve. Engine is a little bit dirty, but not too bad. It does have the KO3 turbo on it. Timing cover looks good. Lock is really fairly clean. It's really not too bad. Pulley a little bit rusty, but that's about it. Alright, here we go. Start her up.